10 lines on APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. The full name of APJ Abdul Kalam was Abdul Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 in the Rameshwaram. Abdul Kalam was also a scientist, politician, teacher and writer. He is also known as Missile Man because he created a fire-like missile for the army. Abdul Kalam was born into a poor family. He used to sell newspapers after coming from school to improve the economic situation. Abdul Kalam loved to live a simple life. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1997. Abdul Kalam is also called the President of the People because he always worked for the public interest. He loved reading books and playing the veena. He died of a heart attack on July 27, 2015. Thanks for watching.